down with my bare skin, so we will start with the base makeup. I like to spray my face with this rose water from Nivea. Oh. I am so excited to get back to makeup videos because it took me like 5 months since I had filmed my last makeup video, which is the evening makeup. If you haven't seen my evening makeup, I will link in this video. And now let's put on the primer from Huda Beauty. Finally, I am so happy Lucas is into nursery right now. That's why I have time to do this makeup. I like doing makeup videos or, putting makeup. It's a very nice lighting during first hour of the day. It gives me like a very nice daylight. Our primer is done. Let's move on to the foundation. So guys, if you haven't seen my step-by-step makeup tutorial, everything in there. So if you haven't seen it, I will link somewhere in this video. It's very nice to film video first hour in the morning, also because you have a very nice skin. Your skin is blooming when you wake up in the morning. By the way guys, I bought a lot of earrings at Lovisa. They have a really nice collection of fashionable earrings, like the earrings I've been wearing in my videos. I buy when they're on sale, which is they are sale all the time. Out of the sale for now because I've got a lot of... So this is from the Catrice collection that I bought. It says here it's liquid camouflage, high coverage concealer, lasts 12 hours. Apply in small dabs and let it dry well. Apply extra layers if needed. Waterproof. Right, waterproof. This is very interesting and I'm very excited to try out this one. So far, I am very happy with Tarte Cosmetics, and let's see how this goes. This is my first time to use this product. The smell is very refreshing. Oh, that is very nice. I can see the full coverage already. Let's go on to my under eye. Wow, my face turns out into a blank canvas. So far, I really like the coverage of the concealer. And guys, I'll go off camera to do my baking and powder my face. Alright guys, our bushy brow, the other eye is done. So if you want to see how I created bushy brow, I have a video somewhere and I will link it in this video. The ultra precise brow pencil, and it's also waterproof. My favorite already because I've been looking this kind of pencil brow which is very thin. I literally apply a very tiniest amount of product and see, this is my brow already. And our brows is done. I really like this brow pencil I got from Catrice Cosmetics, and I hope I bought a lot of these. So guys, let's move on to the eyeshadow. And here is from the Catrice as well. It says here it's Brow Slim Shadow Palette and it's a Neon Earth. And let's see what's inside. I really like this. The packaging they have, they are drugstore makeup, but still they compete like the luxury makeup brands we have out there. And they have labels as well. Let's start with Heat Wave. So first, the outer corner of our eye. This is our transition shade. So I'm thinking to do, guys, a cut crease, just a simple cut crease. So that is our transition shade. Next, we'll hit the Big Bang. So I switch brushes from this blending brush to this one. I always use this too to blend my transition shade. And so far, I really like the coverage of it. It's very pigmented and it's according to the color as you apply it. And now it's time to cut the lid. Do some gloss of my lips. This one here, guys, is a Volumizing Extreme Lip Booster with hot chili extract flavor. To chopping off. It's really an extra chili flavor there. So I'm using the Catrice concealer to cut my eyelid. I'm using this brush, concealer brush. So far I like this brush to cut my lid. I've been using this as well when I did the makeup classes. So I'm so excited to use the gold for our crease. Wow, that's gold. I will try to dab it with my finger. It's much better using the finger. Just change the battery of my camera, and now let's do the outer V of our eyes. I'll pick up the Big Bang, and next I'll dab into the earth. Wow, the earth one is very intense, and I can see there are some fallouts. Let's seal it with Eclipse. Alright guys, let's do the lower lash line. I'm picking up the Heat Wave to do the transition of my lower lash line. Let's pick up the Big Bang. And then I'll pick up the Eclipse. So far, I like the pigment of it. And I will finish off camera the other eye and we'll put on the lashes as well. Alright guys, our brows and eyeshadow are done. So let's move on to finish the rest of the makeup. So let's do the bronzing. I have here Catrice Cosmetics Sun Glow Matte Bronzing Powder, and it's also water resistant, medium to darker skin. I didn't buy a blush, so I'll use the Tarte Cosmetics. And now let's move on to the highlighter. Oh, by the way, this is from Wet n Wild. So I'd like to try a highlighter from Wet n Wild. There's a little bit, there is like a petal in here. Bronze on top of my blush. Alright guys, let's move on to the lipstick. This is from Catrice. This is Matte Pro Ink Non-Transfer Liquid Lipstick. Lasts up to 12 hours. I like the redness of it. Alright guys, our makeup is done. We'll just put on setting spray from Tarte. And I'm really happy of the product. Alright, so I have here the receipt. I bought this Catrice at the supermarket in Bremen. So the Glow Matte Bronzer comes with $4, so to be exact, it's €3.99. Because I bought 2 of this brow pen, it cost €5.98, and for each is €2.99. The next is the Neon Earth palette that cost me €9.99. Nice, I like the pigments of it. And next is the concealer, which is €3.49, which is very good because I like the coverage of it. And then next is the Extreme Lip Booster. This one is really refreshing to my lips. It cost me €3.99. And for the matte lipstick, it cost me €4.99. So not that bad, guys, for a drugstore makeup. I really like the outcome of it, the product, and I'm looking forward to buy more of these products of Catrice. I first saw these products at Nikki Tutorials makeup videos, and her reviews was really awesome, so I got curious about these products, and I saw this at the makeup counters together with Maybelline, L'Oreal, and so other products that I already have. And they have this, and I bought a lot of this. It's actually a lot for me, and my husband was like, okay. But I told him that I really like these products. They don't have it in Dubai, so I bought like a lot of it. You know, it's not a lot, but it's already a lot. And yeah, I'm so happy that I tried out these products, Catrice Cosmetics, and I really like the packaging of it. I'm happy for this product, so I recommended it to you guys. Hope you enjoyed my makeup video. It's a dramatic makeup, so you can wear it at night or evening makeup, and I really like how it turned out. And guys, see you in my next one. Bye bye.